That's a good fish there, buddy. Don't let that turn into a shark.
Good morning, Lucky Charms. End of March report. We're going to wrap things up with a pretty good bag here. It's been real hit or miss on morning bite or afternoon bite. Seems like every day's a little different right now. It seems Florida's straddling between winter and spring. We're not sure which one we're going to be. Captain John's put together a nice box of some really good muttons and had to release a gag grouper this week. Grouper season opens May 1st, so make sure you get with us when that happens. Saturday morning had some seeds. We had a birthday group out there. We did get some nice legal mutton and a couple really good ones come over the rail. Conditions were not what they said they were and actually deteriorated throughout the day. And one of our regulars, Ben, who has been putting a lot of time in, was finally had it pay off and put two really good fish in the box. Nice to see the time and the work pay off here.
That's the proper mutton. Turn and smile. There we go. Good morning, Lucky Charms Fishing. We got a 6-hour trip we're doing today. Full boat. We're gonna go have some fun out here, see what we can do. It's gonna be beautiful. Here she comes.
Bite did slow down. We got a nice kingfish bite going on. And anglers were rewarded with a couple hours of steady action right off the bat. We had a really good king bite, put 8 or 9 of them in the box. We did have an opportunity to put the Insta360 cam down under the boat to see some of the action here. When your captain looks at you and tells you to reel like you've never reeled before, this is what's going on down there. That's a bull shark narrowly missing our kingfish. There was a cobia chasing him, so they are around. Spencer with the deep reach on the gaff over here making it happen.
That's what I'm talking about. Nice in the boat.
Gotta love that.
That is a kingfish.
All in all, while proving to be a little tricky with the weather, fish have been cooperating. It's just putting in the time, putting in the work. We're willing to do it. You should come with us. Lucky Charms Fishing, 7 to 11, 12 to 4. ExpertFishingFlorida.com.